Hi guys, today's video is going to be the most highly requested video, and that is on my exercise routine. I'm not an expert, but I'll surely do it for you guys. Just showing you what easy exercises I've been doing all this while to lose some weight, except for the skipping, which an obese person should not be doing. You can do everything else, whatever I'm doing. You need to have a good pair of shoes with good cushions so that there's not much pressure on the knees and ankles, and you should be comfortable. First of all, you need to wear something really comfortable. I've worn a t-shirt and slacks. I'm comfortable in this. You don't need to wear something hot. You can just wear what you want. And you need to tie your hair. We don't want hair on the face. The space between your feet should be a little more than the width of your shoulders. Raise your hands. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You have to do this 10 times each side. Keep your legs straight. Do not bend. Do not twist your legs or your knees. Keep it straight. The space between your legs should be a little more than the width of your shoulders. And stretch. Do this 20 times each side. Do not go too low. For a beginner, just do the way I'm doing it. And do it very slowly. It is very effective for your side flushes. I do not know the fitness terms, but it is very effective from your hips to your upper body. You need to do this 5 times. Raise your hands, breathe in while going down. Go very slowly, try to touch your feet, do not force yourself. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds and then breathe out. Stand straight sideways, take support of the wall and lift your leg. Not too high, not too low, just in between. You need to do this 20 times each side. This is very good for your lower body. Bless your hips, bless your side flesh. This is extremely good. The exercises I'm showing is very simple and mostly for beginners. Nothing vigorous, nothing too harsh on the body. It's just too simple and still very effective. All these warm-ups should be done daily before any exercise you do. This warm-up I do just before I start skipping. It is very effective because if you know, when you start skipping, the pressure comes on your knees and ankles and on your calves, which is quite dangerous. So you need to have good warm-up before that. You need to do this twice on each side and hold it for 10 seconds. The front leg and the back leg should be in the same length. So I do each side twice for 10 seconds. Before you start skipping, see to that you wear a tight bra. I have worn a tight bra and a tight singlet and then my t-shirt, and that's why I'm looking super heavy on the upper body. But still, just to remind you, wear a tight bra. As you know, skipping, your boobs are going to be bouncing way too much. And you don't want that, right? A beginner should start with 50. As I do it so fast, I end up doing 500. But no, a beginner should start with 50. If you found this video useful, do hit a like, do comment below, do subscribe to my channel as I'll be uploading more exercises in the coming days. Bye-bye. These are the exercises I do for myself. This was a highly requested video and that's why I made this video. Please do not injure yourself and consider me responsible. Please do it carefully.